So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to remix the reel in Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Facebook account, and you should have to tap on Reels icon, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. Now find a reel by tapping on three dots to see either it has remix option or not. So I am tapping on the three dots which is available on the lower corner of right side. Now this reel hasn't remixed this reel option, so scrolling down and find another reel. Now see, this has the remix this reel option, so tap on it. Then wait for seconds. Now tap on your bottom, which is available on the bottom side of your screen. So tap on it and wait until it gets full. Now see, this is the remix video, and if you want to post, tap on next. Then you can type your captions and tap on share now. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.